Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where display driver has stopped responding and has recovered in Windows, then please watch this video. Now, here's what happens. Your display will go off for a while and then it will recover. So you will be able to use the computer, but the problem will be recurring. So how would you solve it? The first solution is to update the graphics card drivers. And how would you do that? Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Now expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and update driver. Right click on the second one and update driver. The next one is to select recommended display settings. Right click on the start button. Select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab. Select display and then make sure that the scale is set at the recommended one and the display resolution is also recommended. Now I'll tell you why. Because see, here's the thing, the recommended resolution may be different depending upon the computer. In some it may be 720, in some it may be something else. In some cases the recommended scale is 100%, in some it's 150%. So in my case it's 125%. Just blindly selected the recommended value and never ever change it, because that causes problems. And lastly, disable graphics acceleration. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select display and then scroll down and click on graphics and then select change default graphics settings and make sure that you have turned on hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.